So I'm gonna attempt to make a sneeze guard for a restaurant with this plexiglass. That's the size of it, 36 by 48. And so, never done this before, so we'll see what happens. So I cut the leg to be 6 feet. So, and I'm gonna use that for the stand. So what I'm thinking, I might cut a little groove in between the 2x4 to slide in the acrylic sheet in there so it could hold in place. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We'll give it a try. Okay, I got the length for the leg, and then this is for the support. Got the one for the top and one for the bottom. So I'm gonna cut it out and hopefully it'll work. So I tried to put it together, but I noticed there's a gap right there. So I'm gonna need to trim this down to right here, then put everything together, trim this down to right here a little bit, and we'll see what happens. Try to do the drilling, try to put it together. So I'm gonna use this to make a hole, then I'm gonna use this to attach it. So it should be right. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna try to line it up, and then I'm gonna drill it in. So I got the side in. Now I'm gonna try to put the acrylic glass in, and then put the bottom on, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so now I'm gonna drill my hole in before I drill in my screw. I got all the screws in. Now I just need to put the foot on top of here, and then paint it, and then peel the protective sheet off, and we should be good. Okay, so this is what we have. Just gotta paint it, peel it, and it's good to go. Hope it works. Okay, this is the product. As you can see, it's wobbly, so I'm gonna try to change the foot with these, see if it works. So now I'm just gonna sand it and then paint it. Okay, so I have all the pieces that I painted, double coated red, and we're gonna try to put it together. The sneeze guard, my wife wanna make it also a blackboard, so we can use multi-purpose for a sneeze guard and a blackboard, so she can write stuff on for the restaurant. and we're gonna try it out. So I got all the pieces painted, and acrylic glass. My wife wanted to spray chalkboard paint on it, and so she can write stuff, so we can use it as a multi-purpose for the restaurant. So I'm gonna try to put everything together to see what happens. So after I put it all together, I actually needed my wife to help me out because it takes two people to help to put it together because it's fragile. But this is the final result. So on this side you could write stuff like that chalkboard right there, and the other side is just clear acrylic glass. So all right, thank you for watching. My wife just put some stuff in. So you go right now on the chalkboard. Let me go on the other side.